Now I'd like to show you a new way of connecting an external HD drive to your iPad using the new iOmega iConnect. Now this is a simple solution if you're going away on holidays, if you're going visiting friends and all you have is a 16 gig iPad. This will connect any size hard drive to the iPad wirelessly. Only problem being that both the iConnect and the travel router must be connected to a power supply. And if you use an external hard drive other than a portable, then you also need to connect the hard drive to a power source. But for this setup, we'll use a 350 gig portable hard drive. First thing is the iConnect. The iOmega iConnect is a wireless hub, for want of a better word. Whereas, as you can see, there's 3 USB connections at the front, 1 at the back. Also at the back you have an Ethernet connection and your power source. Now for this setup, I've taken into account that the setup has been done with the iConnect. In other words, you must connect the iConnect via Ethernet connection to your wireless router or your home router, which is connected to the internet. When you set up this system, you enable wireless, and once you've enabled the wireless in the setup, then you can disconnect it from your home router, wireless or wired router. So the next thing is we need a travel router. Now these can be picked up around €20. The iConnect works in around €70, so you're talking about €90 for both here. If you have an external hard drive at home, you can use any external hard drive, buy a new one, but at the moment it's about €60 for this, about €70 for this, and €20 for that. So in around €100–120 will set you up. Now I have this set up already to save time, but we'll just do a quick rundown. Your portable hard drive, USB powered, is connected to one of the inputs on the iConnect. The Ethernet connection is connected to your travel router. That's all the connections you need. So we will go over now to the iPad and switch on the iPad. Now here you will see the first thing we go into is settings. So you press the settings button and you will see immediately that the Trendant with the little tick on it is actually your travel router, Trendant. The other setups here is my internal network, and the gateway is actually my modem. So we'll go out of that and swing around. Now what I use here, what I find one of the best players is the Buzz player. So we'll click on the Buzz player, and I've already set it up here, so you can see over here on the left is a shortcut for the Maxter, but we'll go out of it for a second. I'll show you how it connects. Now down here we have storage. Now in actual fact the storage is what, it's a bit of a shine off that. The storage is your iConnect, whereas, so if we click on that, it gives you, up here is the Maxter USB connection, which is the portable hard drive. So we'll click on that, which gives you your folders that's in it. Now at the minute I have a few different setups, so I'll put this one on first. Now, in actual fact, we have starting at the top, we have a DVD video, and then Planet of the Apes, and then the Shield. Now, the Shield is MPEG-4. We'll just play it here. It's an MPEG-4 rip. And there it is playing wirelessly. If I move it away from here, from the hard drive. So we'll get out of this, we'll pause that, and done. Now a plus to this setup is the fact, we just go back, all these here, such as Billy Connolly, a couple of films, etc., they are actually WTV files. And if you have a PC, media PC set up to record from your satellite or any other box, cable box, it usually records in WTV. Now these are unplayable on the iPad because there's not too many players that will actually play them outside standalone media players. But if you right click, if you have Windows 7 and right click on each file, you can change it to DVR-MS file. This is done in seconds. An hour show takes maybe less than a minute. And if you, here we have CSI, if I press play, again it takes a couple of seconds and it starts playing. Again wirelessly from your hard drive. So we'll pause that and we're done with that. Again we have to go back to the thing. Now again we have DVD video of the Shield. So again these are rips. Press and play. We'll play the Shield. This is an excellent setup. You can have anything up to 2, 3, 4, whatever terabytes you want to bring with you. All this can be fitted into a small little carry bag to bring with you on your holidays, and you have access to all your files via this little device, the iConnect. I hope this isn't too confusing, but it'll show you a very simple setup so that you can have every movie that you want and TV show, files, whatever you want on your iPad, so you don't have to settle for your 16 gig or 32 gig memory on your iPad.